Good Sunday afternoon, my Facebook friends. How's everybody today? I'm Bess McCarty, coach for network marketers, also called the Shrink of MLM. And I just want to take a few minutes here to share with you what we're doing in case you might know a network marketer who might need this. What we're doing is we're giving away a bunch of free personal growth books and a free ticket to an event called How to Always Get a Yes When Prospecting. Can work with any business, but especially for network marketers. So you know that the key to growing your business, any business, is the ability to let a lot of people know what you do. So welcome, darling. Good to see you. And by the way, if anybody's watching the replay, please type that in because I'd like to thank you for that, and I'd like to also hear where you're from too. Okay, so to succeed in a business, you need to let people know what you do, right? And a lot of people. So we have this really great way to help you to do that real simply, easy, fast, duplicatable, and all that. It's called How to Always Get a Yes When Prospecting. Some people call it the favor script. So if you don't know about it already, or if you think if there's a network marketer out there that doesn't know about it, I want to get them to this event so that they can learn about it. It's a free event. They get a free ticket to it. And when they get that ticket, it enters them into the drawing for the personal growth book. We're going to be giving away a bunch of those. We're going to be mailing them out to people. It's the books are going to be John Maxwell and other really good ones. So it's a win-win-win thing. So join us for an hour and learn the simple way to prospect that works with Facebook, LinkedIn, phone calls, text. It just works, first person face-to-face, of course. It just works everywhere. So we'd love to share that with you. We have experienced that this can help you to 10 times or 100 times your business. Absolutely true. Welcome, hon. Glad to see you. Glad to see everybody here. Welcome, welcome. And so what I'm doing is I'm sharing in case you might know a network marketer who could use this. So this always get a yes method, I'll just explain a little bit about that. It's something that my teaching partner Jeff Gamble brought over from his real estate business and used in networking and network marketing, and it worked terrifically. He has personally sponsored over 500 people frontline, has built teams to over 11,000 in 7 countries in 3 years, and when we brought it to, I had been teaching in the MLM Millionaire Club, my generic school for network marketers. I've been teaching this for 10 years. When we brought this over and taught this to our students, they got even greater, huge results. So we go, okay, we know it's working, not just for Jeff, but for all of these people. So we've spent a year teaching this and documenting results, and it's off the charts for people that hadn't been able to sponsor anybody in 2 years or get many appointments in 2 years or jump a rank in a few years, and all of a sudden they're using this method and it's working for them real well. So welcome, James, another person in our school. Glad to see you. Awesome. So this method, I'm just going to take a couple minutes here and go through, but welcome, Michael. Glad to see you. Okay, so this method, and in just a minute I'll post a link where you can get a free ticket for that. Your free ticket will enter you into the drawing for the free book giveaway, and it will get you into the event on Sunday, July 7th. That's in a week from today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, but don't worry if you can't make it. It will be recorded. If you register for it, then you can get your emails, the replay sent to you, as well as enter you in the drawing for the book, which you must be present to win the book. So what we're going to teach at that is how to always get a yes when prospecting. Now, this method does not get a no. It does not get objections. It works with all 4 personalities and all genders, ages, cultures, levels of influence. It works with people who already said no to you. Thank you for the likes and loves, everybody. It works with, it's super simple, duplicatable. You don't need a video. This sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's the best thing I've ever seen in network marketing in my about 40 years in being in this field. I used to be a full-time network marketer for years. When my company went out of business, I went into the personal growth field. And then I became a body-mind therapist, holistic health practitioner, and brought this back to network marketers for personal growth and skills to succeed in their businesses. So I'm a dedicated generic coach. The school's generic. We love teaching this. People are getting results. Hello, Robert. Welcome. Good to see everybody. Welcome, Todd Michael. So that is the Always Get a Yes script. This is what one of our friends and students says, Ignacio Perez. Really appreciate the mentorship and help. It's like getting a basketball lesson by Michael Jordan. Very grateful. And Ignacio is one of these people who put this into effect and got a lot of results with it. Let's see, I told you a little bit about Jeff. Jeffrey David Gamble and I are co-teaching in the school, and we will co-teach this event on Sunday, July 7th at 4 p.m. Easter time. It's really an open house for our school. I let's see, how can I tell a little bit about me. I've personally helped hundreds of network marketers have breakthroughs to blocks that they were working up against, breaking through fears, negative beliefs, to wild success. And the companies go, wow, what got into you? And you know, I'm the secret the secret tool in their back pocket that helps them to do that. So this is what I love to do, is help people to have these breakthroughs, teach that within the school, but also in private coaching too, like Jeff does too. So that is us. Now that you know what we do, perhaps you might know a network marketer who can use a fast, simple, easy, duplicatable tool that never gets a no, does not get objections, does not need a video, works with people who already said no to you. I love getting this out for people. So if you know someone who can use that, I bet they'd love if you tagged them or shared this with them. I'll put the link below. It's going to be fun, you guys. Okay, we'll see you there. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.